Hey everybody, it's Sarah from WIRL Project, and today we're going to show you how to contribute a WIRL. So the first thing you need to do is sign into your account. You'll know you're signed in when you can see your name over here in the right hand corner of the menu bar. To contribute a WIRL, then you'll just click on Contribute a WIRL and it'll take you to the page where you can do so. Above each field there are some instructions, and that sort of walks you through the process. So the first thing you're going to do is create a catchy title. This is going to be what people first see when they're browsing through the website. Sometimes I don't write my title until after I've finished writing the entire WIRL because I have my creative juices flowing and I know exactly what the WIRL's about and the tone of it, but you can go ahead and add your title at any time. So right now I'm going to call it My First WIRL. Now I need to pick a type. What kind of type is this? Let's say I want to write some advice, but it's also kind of like a story. So in order to hold and select more than one type of WIRL, then you hold down Command or Control on your keyboard, and then with your mouse or your scroll pad, then you select another type. So if you're on a mobile device, you can actually just click them and they'll stay clicked, but on the computer you have to hold down the Control or Command button. Then you scroll down and select which category your WIRL belongs to. These categories are meant to be very broad, so just pick the one that you think works best. If you're not sure, then just go ahead and choose Life and Leisure. That's kind of our default. If you want to select more than one, Life, Leisure, and Love and Relationships, then go ahead and select more than one, just like you did using the Control or the Command button. If you want to go ahead and start typing, you can type your WIRL here. This is my first WIRL at WIRL Project. Okay, so then I want to add some media. I want to add a picture, and so I'm going to click Add Media. If you didn't see how I did that, I'll do it again. Add Media. It's a button right here. You can upload files from your phone or your computer, or you can go to the media library, which shows you things you've already uploaded before. So if I wanted to upload a file, I would hit Select File, and then I could browse my computer or hard drive or phone, whatever I'm using. If I want to use something I've already used before, then I just click the media library, select my image, and insert it into the post. Now let's say I want to move this image to the right. I just click on it, select Align Right, and it takes you over and it moves the image over. So I still have my text on top, my image below it. You can move and rearrange these if you want by sort of scrolling and playing around, but that's up to you. Now sometimes when you first see this content part, there's only one little bar here. If you click the toolbar toggle, it gives you a few more options in terms of how you can set up your post. So each one of these little tabs gives you some information about what it does. Go ahead and explore those if you'd like. The next thing is a featured image. This is really suggested because, as you can see, in the Just in WIRL project part of our website and on the home page, it shows an image with each WIRL. That's what this image is, the featured image. It just gives the reader a little bit more information about your post, and it makes it a little bit more catchy to look at, and people are more inclined to read it that way. So go ahead and select your image. It's the same way you uploaded media, and you can actually use the same image that you use in your WIRL. Sometimes that's what I suggest doing. So go ahead and select the image you want to use, and it'll show up. Okay, that's your featured image. The next thing is your tag. Now these are keywords that go along with your post. So first WIRL, first WIRL, and then separate your tags or keywords by comma, and then I'll just put in WIRL project. Okay? If I want to include a website, I can. I don't have to. If I want to link this post or this WIRL to an external website, then I can put it here. So let's just say, for example, I want to link it to WIRL Project. This might be your blog, it might be a product site, it could be anything. If I want to include a video in my WIRL, then I have to go to YouTube, upload my video there, and then, which is very, very simple to do, upload the video there, and then take the share button, which you'll see when you look at it. When you're looking at the YouTube video, there's a share button right underneath, and it gives you a link. You copy and paste that link right into here, and it'll directly put that video into your WIRL. When I'm all finished, then I click submit, but I'm not done. Okay, the next thing you're going to get is a little green box that comes up, and it's going to say that your post has been created successfully. Now, you're not finished yet because I want you to check it out. I want you to look at the preview. It's going to show you exactly what it's going to look like on the website. So this is important because you cannot edit it after you get rid of this little green box. So you take a look at it. Is it what you like? Did you spell everything correctly? Is it aligned properly? You know, all those things. Here's your tags. Here's that website we were talking about that we were linking our WIRL to. Here's the content. This is the featured image, and this is the image that's inside the post. Okay, I'm happy with it, so I'm going to leave it alone at this point. If I wasn't happy with it and I wanted to continue editing, then I go back to the green box, which is in another tab, and you hit continue editing. It'll take you back to the original typing that you were doing and editing, and you can make your changes and then click submit again. You can keep going back and forth with your previewing and editing until you're really happy with your WIRL. Then when you're finished, it'll send it off to our administrators and to our editors. We'll take a look at it, approve it, and it'll be online within 24 to 48 hours. So that's it, everybody. That's how you contribute a WIRL at WIRL project. We can't wait to see what you contribute and how you share real life.